EMSL is Lincolnshire's only one-stop shop for musicians, DJs and bands, with new dealerships such as G&L Guitars, Mapex Drums, Ibanez Guitars and all the accessories and advice you'll ever need. Choose EMSL. Guitarists, drummers, DJs, novices or professionals, come to EMSL. Looking for a PA system? EMSL has it. Looking for lessons? EMSL do them. If you're over 18, you can even take it away on the day with only a 10% deposit. Subject to status, terms and conditions apply. Become a friend of East Midlands Sound and Lighting on Facebook. EMSL, the musician's choice. Unit 21, the Old Malt House off Springfield Road. Or visit emslonline.co.uk.